Hey friends, welcome back to the Broccoli Master YouTube channel, your favorite place to learn coding step by step. So this is last video of the HTML section. In this video we are going to talking about media tags and the basic of ID and class attribute. So what is media tag? Media tag that contain image, audio, video and more. The last one is the ID and classes is just an attribute which helps to give identity to your tags or element. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's move to our VS Code and start the video. Okay then, I'm in my VS Code. You can see that I already created a file whose name is module7.html. Okay, so let's start from the media tags. Okay, and one thing, in media tag we are talking about images, video and audio, and also how to integrate YouTube videos and map in our website. Okay, so all this comes into a media tag. And last, after this we talking about ID and class attribute. Okay, so let's start. First of all, comment this. And we already talk about images. Okay, how to integrate images in our website. So once again I show you images. So img, for image we use img tag. Okay, and in src attribute we put the image address or image name. So what we have an image, let's see. Yes, we have one image, and inside the alt attribute we just give the name of that image. So images, I don't know which images are here. Okay, so now let's open with the help of the live server in your browser. Then you can see the image will be displayed perfectly. Okay, so I think this is a big image, so we have to control by giving the width attribute 200. Okay, this much. Let's see. So now you can see the perfectly image are displaying our website. So hi friends, you are not any questions on about the img tag or how to add the images. Okay, so let's move to video. So for video we use video tag. Okay, you can see in video tag also or the same attribute you are found src, which are also in image. By seeing this, I hope you will be know that what the things we put inside the src tag is the same video name or video address. Okay, so we have a videos inside our folder, so we can't write the whole path of the video, we just write the video name. So where's the video? Yeah, here's the first video. Okay, so let's open in our browser. Then you can see the video is displayed, but video is not working. Why? Because in HTML video tag requires some more attributes that helps to run or play video on website by using controls attribute. So now you can see, let's go in browser. From here you can play it, but we have to first of all minimize or control the width of the video. Then we have the same things with attribute 300. Okay, let's go. You can see the, and now I can show you if we cannot put control attribute on the video tag, then what the effect are here. So all the things are the hidden. Then just put here controls. Okay, so now you can see the all things come here. This run, and we have the some functions also. Okay, so inside video tag we have more attribute. Just like if you want to play the video continuously, then we have here loops. Okay, so now you, in your website you go and once play your video, then it's never stop, it's continue running. And more attribute which have muted. If you want to muted your video sound, then you put here the muted. When means is when the load your video on your site, then it's default mute. Okay, and from here you come, it is mute. You have on mute also from here, but it's default on mute. And last one is autoplay. So you can see whenever our media file means video loaded in our website is pause. Okay, but you want when the my videos is load on the site, then it's already play. Okay, so we use here autoplay. Okay, save. Let's see in browser is autoplay. Okay, so hi friends, you will understand how to integrate videos in your website. Okay, so let's move to the audio. So let's start. So for audio we use audio tag. And inside audio tag you same find here the src attribute. So we have to put the mp3 means the audio type file here, control space, we have audio.mp3, just put it. Okay, so here's also same problem you see. Without any extra attribute, the audio isn't display or play. Okay, so let's go and see. You can see anywhere the audio is displaying or not. It is not. Okay, so for displaying the audio we use control attribute. Okay, then come here, you can see our audio is here and it's play also if you play it. Okay, so now let's come here, and the same attribute we use in video is work also in our audio tag. Okay, if you want to run continuously we use loop. If you want to muted default we use muted. If you want to autoplay when the audio file is loaded first in our website. Okay, so only this much the media tags are. So now some extra things are how to integrate YouTube videos in our site and Google Maps. So let's go in browser, let's open YouTube and let's go Broccoli Master YouTube channel. Open it and the latest video is here. Right click here and copy embedded code. Okay, then come here, means our VS Code. Okay, and just paste it. So you can see here we are using iframe tag. Okay, so inside iframe tag we can integrate our map also, we can integrate the YouTube videos also. Let's see how it look. You can see our YouTube videos are here. So first of all, control it width. So I put here 610 and height only 381 something. Okay, let's go here. So you can see more small we want 250, save, and let's go. Okay, and width is also very big, 400, enough. Okay, now it's good. You can see if you click here then it's done. Okay, so hi friends, you will understand how to integrate YouTube videos in our site. So now last, map, how to integrate maps. So first of all, let's open Google Map and search any location. So food. Okay, so let's click here. Okay, any location you want to integrate in your site, just click there and you can see here's a share option and share button. So click here, share button, and you can see here embedded of map. So click here embedded and just copy. So now let's come here and paste. Okay, also we have to control width and height if you want. Yes, I want to control 400 width and 250 height. And let's go in browser, see that the map also displaying here. So only this much are available in media tag that we have to learn. So let's move the VS Code. Okay, so now second one is what, just discuss about ID and class attribute. Okay, so what is ID and what is class attribute? In the simple term, ID is give the unique value of our element or tag. Okay, for identity, just like here I give the ID and just I put here image. Okay, so it define unique value of our img tag. Okay, so if we add here class image, okay, so it is not a unique. Okay, it's just reusable things. We can just copy here, also put here the same things. It can identity both at the same name, but the ID is only we have to put the value is unique. So hi friends, you understand what is ID and classes. We can more discuss about in our CSS section the main uses of ID and classes in CSS section and JavaScript section. Okay, so only this much. Congratulations everyone, finally we have finished our HTML section. So from the next video we are going to start CSS part. So now after the learning of the HTML, I hope you have some confidence we do something in front-end developer. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, give likes, do comment and share with your friends who want to be a full stack developer. So see you in next video.